Hello and welcome to Ms. Shaw's Comprehension Learning video for Friday, September 18th. Happy Friday! So all of this week, we are continuing on with the genre of realistic fiction. Realistic fiction is make-believe, but it is realistic in that it could happen in real life. So I'm going to remind you of problem and solution. A problem is something that is happening that you need to fix. Something isn't going well. It requires a solution, which is a way to fix the problem, or a resolution. They mean the same thing, resolution, solution. So if a baby's crying, your solution might be to give the baby a bottle or give the baby a pacifier. If your problem is that you cut your finger, your solution or resolution might be to put a Band-Aid on it. If your problem is a hungry dog, your dog is hungry, your solution might be to give them some dog food. Objective. What will I do today? Today I will describe elements of plot development, including the main events, the problem and the solution for text read aloud with adult assistance by illustrating the problem and resolution for Too Many Places to Hide on page 80. All that means is you're going to reread the story with Miss Shaw. You're going to think about the problem, illustrate that. Illustrating means draw, okay? So when you illustrate, you are drawing a picture. Problem and resolution, what the problem was, what they needed to fix, and resolution, how they decided to fix it. For the story, Too Many Places to Hide. So in page 69 is where your story starts, and we have read the story together for a couple of days. So I'm going to read through it a little bit faster because we've already read it twice. So I want you to reread it. We just moved from the city. Boxes are everywhere, and Poof is gone. Dad said he saw her in the kitchen earlier. Poof is not there now. Our new home has too many places to hide. How will we ever find Poof? Mateo helps me look. He crawls way back in the closet. No Poof. Mom helps me look. She peeks under the couch. No Poof. Mateo unpacks bowls. Dad plunks down cat food. I have an idea. And it's almost like you can envision a light bulb going off over her head. When people have an idea, sometimes they show it with a light bulb going off. Mateo hands me a bowl. Dad helps me fill it with cat food. I wonder what our resolution could be. Come, Poof, dinner time. Here is Poof. So what I want you to think about, the characters, and we're going to talk about this at our 10 a.m. meeting. Who were the characters in the story, the people and the animals? Where was the story taking place? Where was the story? Where were they? Where were those characters located? What the problem was in the story and the solution or resolution of the story. So your job today is to draw on page 80. This says problem, resolution. Okay, a problem is something in a story that needs to be fixed. So you're going to draw the problem from the story on this side, the left. A resolution is how the problem is fixed. So you're going to draw how they decided to fix that problem. Now, if you want to add an extra level, I always have things called extra or going to another level past what the activity is. Okay, so it might be called enrichment or extra. Any of those things you can do if you feel like you would like to do that when you've already answered the problem and solution from this story. You might want to illustrate a problem and solution that you've experienced in your life, something that you needed to fix and then you figured out how to fix it. It could be as simple as the baby was crying and I decided to give the baby their bottle or their pacifier. So it doesn't have to be anything that's very complicated. So if you would like to add an extra, you can illustrate a problem and solution you have experienced in your life. Okay, we're going to be talking about this live on our Google Meets at 10 o'clock. Thank you.